Hey guys, it's Dennis here with Team Deberu, and today we're gonna create another Watch Me Build campaign with Propeller Ads and using Max Bounty CPA offer. So let's get started. Hey to everyone and welcome back to Deberu YouTube channel. And like I mentioned before, we're gonna create a brand new push traffic campaign with Propeller Ads and using an offer from a Max Bounty affiliate network, which we are exactly right now. So this is the Deberu account, and here we are on the main dashboard. And for today's video, I have already selected the CPA offer, which is gonna be for Australia, and it's gonna be a Virgin flight voucher. So let's have a look to the offer, which is this one here. So this is the offer, and it says win $1,000 Virgin Australia voucher. It is a single opt-in and the payout is $2.80. And the offer, it looks like that up here. So here we're gonna come back to grab our affiliate link like always. And first we're gonna move to volume tracker to create all the necessary elements that we're gonna use within the Propeller Ads to create our campaign. So let's jump to volume and let's create all the elements. So here we are inside the Deberu account. So we're gonna go first to affiliate networks. We already have all the affiliate networks pre-done. So what you're gonna do if you don't have Max Bounty, you're gonna click here, new affiliate network, and you're gonna find Max Bounty, which is up here. So click on Max Bounty, create, and you are pretty much done. So just select your affiliate network name and click save on the bottom. And the next step you want to do is to actually create a traffic source, which is gonna be Propeller Ads. So you're gonna do the same. So click on new traffic source, and let's find the Propeller Ads, which are up here, and load template. And here again, you're gonna select your traffic source name and click save here on the bottom. So we're gonna click exit up here. So the first step you're gonna do, you're gonna go to offers, and we're gonna create the offer. So we're not gonna do the lender today. We're gonna direct linking to the offer landing page from Max Bounty. All right, so you're gonna click new offer up here, create, and then you're gonna find your affiliate network, which is gonna be Max Bounty up here, and country tag is Australia. And for the offer name, we are going to put the name, which is Virgin Australia. And next we need to import our affiliate link. So let's go back to Max Bounty, which is up here. So you're gonna go to tracking link builder. So click up here. Then you're gonna go to mobile ads. So where it says push notification, click up here and raw link. And it's gonna give you the affiliate link. We're gonna copy it up here, and we're gonna go back to volume, and we're gonna paste it up here. And here we need to add the conversion tracking parameter, which is gonna say you here below which one you need to copy like that, and go to the end to the affiliate link and put and symbol and paste the conversion parameters like that. And this is all you need to do to actually create the offer URL. And then we're gonna do payout to manual, and let's have a look how much is the payout. I think it was 2.8. Yes, 2.8. So let's go back. We're gonna do $2.80 per conversion, and we are done here on the offer. So let's click save. And the last thing we need to do is campaigns. We're gonna create our campaign, and here we're gonna click on new campaign and advanced. And the first thing, we're gonna choose our traffic source, which is gonna be Propeller Ads. and this is our for YouTube. Australia is the country tag, and for the campaign name I have already structured the labeling that we use, and you can do that as well. So this is the label for our campaign names. So Propeller Ads, Australia, Max Bounty, and Virgin Australia is the offer name. Okay, let's go next. And here we're gonna go default redirect mode is gonna be double meta refresh. Path destination is gonna be direct linking because we are not using a pre-lender. Direct mode is gonna be double meta refresh, and here we're gonna find our offer. So let's go by Virgin. Yeah, like that. This one here. And the next we're gonna click save. All right, so here we have our campaign URL that we're gonna use inside the Propeller Ads. So let's do that, and let's jump to Propeller Ads. So here we are inside the Deveru account. So let's click create campaign, and let's build that. So first we're gonna actually add the campaign name that I have already structured by our labeling. So you can do the same if you would like to. So let's copy. So we'd like to actually have all the informations within the campaign name. So Australia, mobile, Virgin Australia is the offer name, CPC, and high user activity. So the next we're gonna click on push notifications, and the pricing model is gonna be CPC. The target URL, we're gonna jump back to volume, and we're gonna copy up here the campaign URL, go back, and let's paste it. All right, so the frequency, so you want to leave it on once per day, so 24 hours. And for the creatives, we're gonna come back in the end. So let's finish all the rest. So traffic options, let's go by high user activity. So if we use high user activity, we deselect the broker traffic. So that's mean we're gonna deselect the medium and the low user activity as well. So the country, we need to add Australia. Oops, like that. Yep. And the budget, we actually suggest to go 10 times by your payout. So that would be $28. So let's go by 30 to make it simple, and let's go like that. So total campaign budget is gonna be by 3-day rule. So 3 days, so that's mean in total it's gonna be $90. So let's put it 90. So targeting platform, it's gonna be mobile and Android. So we have done pretty much everything up here except the campaign schedule. So we're gonna click up here, and we want to choose the time zone of the country we are targeting, and in this case it's gonna be Australia. So it's gonna be, so we're gonna select UTS. So we're gonna select UTC plus 10, which is the Sydney and Melbourne time zone. And for the hours in a day, we suggest to go between 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. So let's do that. So let's deselect this part up here and this part up here. So from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, so here we have everything except the creatives. So let's scroll up and let's do that now. So I have already prepared the creatives up here. So I have 4 creatives for today. I pretty much do the same. So to have around 4 creatives that we can play around. So with different titles, different descriptions, icons, and images for Propeller Ads. So let's go and let's grab the first one, which is gonna be this one here. So new message, that's like a standard one. And let's grab the description, which is gonna be win $1,000 Virgin Australia voucher. right, so let's add another one. So title number 2, it's gonna be message for you. All right, and for the description, let's have a look. So $1,000 Virgin Australia voucher, which is simple and to the point what it is. So title number 3, so you have one notification. So let's go up here, and for the description, we're gonna use the same one we did before. And for the last creative, we're gonna use you have one new message for the title, like that, and the description is gonna be the same that before as well. So we actually have 4 different titles and 2 different descriptions combined with these 4 titles. And now we're gonna add different icons and images to create different combinations. So let's do that straight away. So let's go back to the first creative and let's click for the icon, upload. Okay, so we're gonna go up here and let's go to Virgin and let's find, yes, perfect. This is number 1. Crop image. And let's go to number 2. I think I have another one from which we can use. Yes, we're gonna go with this one. Gift voucher, Virgin Australia. Yes, perfect. All right. And here we're gonna grab 2 of message icons. These ones here. So we're gonna go, let's go with the green one, this one, yes, and here let's go with, let's have a look what we have. So let's go with this one here, yes. Okay, let's go to the first one and let's choose the image. So we're gonna go up here, images, Virgin, and let's have a look. So we have this one, let's go with this one. Let's have a look how it's gonna look. Let's do like that. All right, so image number 2, so we can go with let's have a look if we can squeeze this one in with the text. Perfect, because it's saying win $1,000 Virgin Fly voucher, because it is exactly what the offer is. Cool. And here let's upload the other ones. We're gonna go with this one here. Okay, and the last one, let's choose the last one. So we can go with this one. So which one? Let's try this one, how it's gonna look. No, we're not gonna go with this one. No, it doesn't look right. Let's go with the plain one, this one here. Okay, yep, cool. So we have our creatives. So number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. And the last thing we need to do, we need to put our CPC bid. So let's have a look. So the recommended suggested from Propeller Ads for Australia is 16 cents, and we're gonna put exactly that. All right, cool. So let's go from the top to the bottom again. So the campaign name, then we go to push notification, pricing model, CPC, target URL, it is from volume. which is up here, we created just before. So frequency, you want to leave it once per 24 hours. Creative number 1, creative number 2, creative number 3, and creative number 4. So for the traffic options, we go all traffic, deselect broker traffic, because we are going with user activity high. So let's go down. So country, obviously Australia. CPC bid, we put it the suggested, recommended one. Advertising budget, it is $30 per day, which is 10 times the payout, which is 2.80. So we put it $30, and total campaign budget is $90 because we are going by 3-day rule of testing phase. Okay, so targeting platform, mobile and Android. And this is pretty much everything. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click up here and save as a draft for today's tutorial. But anyway, this is pretty much everything, guys. So hope you enjoy it and you got some value and ideas for your push traffic campaigns. So if you have any additional questions, just type it below into the comment section.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.